Assalamu alaikum. My name is Kaisar Nazir, also known as Kaisar Nazir AI Wala. I am an AI professional, educator, and lifelong learner with a strong interest in AI, digital innovation, Python, and the use of technology in education. I am passionate about sharing knowledge, developing digital skills, and helping learners prepare for the future through technology and innovation. Today, I have given a topic for the TEDx talk review on the video which is uploaded by the scholar Sugata Mitra, The Future of Learning. Sugata Mitra is renowned Indian educational researcher and innovator, best known for his hole in the wall experiments. His work demonstrates how children can learn independently by exploring technology and collaborating with one another. He introduced the concept of self-organized learning environment and inspired new approach to education that promote curiosity, creativity, and self-directed learning. So let's start our review. The traditional education system has always been hierarchical, with the teacher delivering information to the student, who are expected to learn it by heart. In this traditional structure, learning is assumed to happen only in the context of direct instruction, but this basic assumption is turned on its head by an experimental series of projects by an educator researcher Sugata Mitra that shows children have an when left alone, they are given curiosity, technology, and a little encouragement. So, in it was initiated in 1999 with Mitra's well-known experiment that is called Hole in the Wall in New Delhi, India. The schoolboys was placed in a physical wall that include a computer with high-speed internet connectivity in front of a slum population with a very limited access to formal education and who did not speak English. The children learn to use the machine within days of its use without any help or direction. Within days of its use, the kids learn to use the machine, browse the webs, record music, and play interactive games. This group of children in the various geographic and linguistic settings that have been followed have been similar. Access to technology leads to the predictable development of self-directed collaboration, exploration, and teaching among children. So one of the main finding of Mitra's research is to improvement in self-teaching when the interaction is done in a collaboration group manner. It is by structuring learning space in such a way that several children use the same computer that a dynamic self-organizing social ecosystem is built. Children take it upon themselves to negotiate role, exchange ideas, and watch each other discoveries. Group of young children can consistently navigate the internet, translate words in foreign languages, process complex concepts, and arrive at correct answers to challenging academic questions without any intervention by the teacher. There may not always be a need for direct teaching, but emotional support is always needed. Mitra introduced the method of grandmother and showed that the learning outcomes can be greatly improved with simple, non expert encouragement. The volunteers who have become known as the Granny Cloud that through a mentor network that engaged in video conferencing saw their understanding and test scores rise when they were praised and encouraged by other volunteers. The mentor became a source of confidence and enthusiasm rather than of answers. Finally, Mitra's views education and a self organizing system in which learning emerges. Today, we live in an era where any kind of knowledge can be accessed on a click of a mouse on the internet. Memorizing is not the way to go. Self organized learning environment is a learning environment that has been designed to provide technology, open ended questions, and positive encouragement, which could transform learning to empower all children on earth. So, that is the review of the video which is shared by the Sugata Mitra. So, thank you very much for watching and hope you like my review and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.